Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to have a cautionary tale from one of our members, and it's about carb ice. I've heard of 3 incidents of carb ice since I've been flying. One happened to me, this gentleman, and we'll go on with it, so stay tuned for some more not fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this didn't happen like today or yesterday. It was a while back. It was in the summer, probably the prime time to get carb ice. And the gentleman said he was flying around at a moderate amount of power, and he was looking for a place that he might want to buy because he wanted to be closer to his airport than where he lived. He was flying along when his engine began running very rough. He applied carb heat. It got a little bit rougher, and he couldn't maintain altitude, so he saw this road. It was nice and straight, and he landed on it, could not make power. Engine was still running, but when he got it on the ground, he stopped. He kept the carb heat on, he kept the power up, and eventually it began running better. And then he was able to feel confident. He was able to take off and make it to the airport and have his mechanic check it. They couldn't find anything wrong, so they're thinking carb ice. So, ladies and gentlemen, it can get you. It got me once flying back at night in the late summer. Ended up landing, waiting on the ground for the carb ice to go away, started it back up, flew it to my airport, had my mechanic check it, nothing found. Carb ice is the culprit. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.